All right, y'all. Here's a little sneak peek of the new Silber Turbos Bolt on turbo kit that should be coming out within the next few months. So I rode this thing. This thing is awesome. Super fast, super speed.
Don't call it a comeback.
Back to Cali. I'm going back.
There she is. Oh, you got the nice one. That's thick. Oh, really? Cool. I'll get one for Wayne. Oh, I like how it sticks out. Dang. All right, we're going to see the turbo in action. Man by the man himself, Justin Silber.
5 psi on pump gas.
So you're doing 5 psi?
Yep, on straight 91 pump gas.
On straight 91.
Yep. And it gets all bolt on, so just doesn't get any easier than this.
How long do you think the install takes, like the average?
Average guy is going to be 5 to 6 hours to install it.
Pull off the old header,
Yeah.
pull off the air intake. Do you have to lift the clamshell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Clamshell.
Yeah.
You get the stock air intake stuff.
Yeah. And then, so this is a little bit of a different design on the pipe too. I see it comes out, it looks like, right? Is that your,
Intake?
yeah,
Yeah. I mean, you could pivot it up more too.
Right.
If you wanted it closer.
right. Well, because the one you guys normally do kind of comes out like that. So I like that though, it looks good. Are you going to be selling that matching one that I saw for the other side?
Doing a dual intake.
You are? That's going to be awesome. That's going to be awesome. And this is running on a stock exhaust,
Yep.
but it's already pre-tuned, obviously.
Yep, so it'll just run the Dyno Jet programmer with our tune in it.
Awesome. Awesome. All right. All right, so we are headed out to the Red Rocks National Forest. This is about 30 miles outside of Las Vegas, Nevada. We drove down for Slingfest 2021. A few of us came down from LA. Justin came down from Minnesota. He was also doing some jet ski races, so the timing worked out perfect that he was in the area. He brought down one of his colleagues, also from Minnesota, and another one of his colleagues who works out of, I guess, his Colorado office, who does a lot of the jet ski and snowmobile tunes. So right now we are entering the park area. We kind of got separated from the slingshot crew because it's 120 miles total, about 60 in and 60 out. So we needed to top off gas, but the guy at the gate said we were only about 5 minutes behind, and we figured we were going to be, hitting some high speed, so we'd probably catch him pretty easy. Now the guy in the blue jacket, that's Mark. He's he comes out of Colorado, and he is right now just in the on the Silber Turbo with the turbo bolt-on kit. As you can see, I'm trying to catch up to him. I'm doing about 90 here. This is God's country right here. This is inside of the national park. There's basically no speed limits. These roads are amazing, awesome paved, beautifully curved out roads all throughout the park. Acres and acres. So it's absolutely Ryker's paradise. If you want to ever hit that up, if you're in the Vegas area, I highly, highly recommend it. It was about $20 for a 7-day pass. Some people have year passes, and it couldn't be any better if you want to just take your Ryker out and hit full throttle and go, which is what I'm doing right now. And I've got a Silber Turbos quiet exhaust on there. I've got a Silber Turbos cold air intake. I have the Silber Turbos header. I have the Dyno Jet tune. It is tuned with the can tune that comes out of Dyno Jet. Did not have time to get any other tunes done when I got the license for it. So I'm running the can tune. Now here I'm catching up to Mark, who is in the Turbo Ryker. And I finally was able to catch up to him and Justin. Justin had a nice lead on us. There was a car that pulled out in front, and here we are. I'm catching up. So I want to get some camera footage of this turbo, this bolt-on turbo unit you can see right there. And homie just takes off. And keep in mind, we are going about 90 right now, and he's just like, I am out. And there he goes. There you can see the power of the turbo. Here's another little shot of it. Peace. And he's a pretty big guy. And you can see the handling on their shop Ryker is also real nice. It doesn't seem to be swirling around or anything like that. But yeah, that thing is pretty awesome. So at this point, we did catch up with the Slingshot crew. We are cruising through. I'm caught up with a couple other Rykers. This was our first stop right here in the Red Rock area. It's absolutely gorgeous. We didn't do any hiking or anything like that. We just kind of chilled and rode around. There were other events that were going on back at the hotel in Henderson. And everything was timed. So we were out here for a couple hours. And after we rode around for a bit, now we just headed back. But I did want to get some shots of the turbo for you guys. I wanted to see it in action for myself. I was glad I did. I was really impressed with it. It was super smooth, sounded awesome, had great pickup, amazing torque. I mean, is it going to get you to 130, 140? No. But it's going to get you to 110, 115, 120-ish. You know, if you have the tune and stuff a lot faster. So there we are. Actually, we are exiting the park right now, but this is 60 miles out. Remember, we went 60 miles in and 60 miles out. So we were doing a lot of riding that day, but the weather could not have been better. And I was just absolutely just having the best time ever. Now here on this way out, this is the fastest I ever got my Ryker personally. I told you all the upgrades I have. Also with the Elka shocks, and I got the sway bar and the end links. I hit 111 on this way out, and we were just jamming out of here. It was really cool, a lot of fun. Couldn't have. All right, dudes. I got the Silber Turbo with the bolt-on turbo kit that should be out by Christmas. They got the new upgraded hardware Trex shifter, and I'm gonna take this thing out right now. That's right. Let's take this puppy for a spin. Justin and his crew is trusting me. So wow, I took this thing out and it was awesome. Could not have asked for a cooler ride. It was really cool of them to let me try it out. It was really cool to get to meet Justin and a couple of his colleagues, a couple of his boys. We all got to ride together. I wish we had more time to ride together, but we were just on limited time, and these guys were super busy doing installs and work for the show. But it was a great event, and hope to do it again.
This
is Gold Leader. We're starting our attack.